morning, everyone, and sorry for the delay on this. It's Sunday, the 18th of April, 2021. So this is the end of week US stock update. Just to show everyone how the portfolio is going. It's been a small gain this week, up around $150 or so. The previous week closed at, the account was 66,852, and we're now at 66,894. So sorry, that's not even, it's not $150, it's like $40. So that's how it closed out for the week. With the portfolio is a little mixed as well in regards to some good performing stocks and then some stocks that are still lagging behind a little bit. So what we've got here, if you're new to the channel and the update, welcome. These are my holdings. Now, I do show these and it's completely transparent. So we've got the buy price. Some of these are good, some of these are not so good. And I fully acknowledge that, but I'm going to continue to hold. The ETFs are longer term. The PBW10, ARKK, ARKG were entered early in 2021. So we did have the pullback, that happened, and it is what it is. So we've got the unrealized P&L here. We've got some realized P&L. NGA was probably my best trade that I've done on the US account. 11.2 was the entry. I sold 203 shares at 33.30, so that was the realized P&L out of that. And then we've got Seagrow. I got out of that pretty quick. It wasn't really playing out. Late entry on TTCF and a bit of a late entry on GNOG as well. That was actually a SPAC at the time of entry, but that's how we're looking. So currently in total we're up $211.50, and I guess that is the update. But I do just want to talk about a couple of positions with TTCF and GNOG as well. Look, everything else I'm not too concerned about. The PBW is a little disappointing how it's behaving. TAN as well. We did see some recovery in ARKK as well as ARKG, but I am contemplating taking out TTCF. It is, TTCF closed at, and I'll bring this through here. I'll bring the trading view charts in now, guys. So it did close up for the day on Friday's session, but so it's definitely consolidating. As you can see, I got in quite late into the bull cycle with the growth related stocks. TTCF, it's not a SPAC or anything like that. It's found a bit of support where it sort of currently is at the 18 level sort of mark. So we'll see what it wants to do in regards to that. And then we've got GNOG as well. So just highlight the two stocks that I would say are points of concern. As you can see as well, the high GNOG got to was $26.99. Now, to make a note of this, it was LCA beforehand, and it was up a little bit on Friday, but it is a growth stock as well, so that's something to take note of. And it seems that the market has been in favor of higher quality tech stocks. They've definitely seen a lift recently, and my portfolio is obviously weighted to tech stocks, and I do have a few in the basket that are a little more speculative. And I guess when the market is in a very optimistic environment, it's quite favorable. But GNOG and TTCF are the ones that, if I do exit out of, I'm looking to get into AT&T. It did come up, there we go. The ticker is T. So I'll be looking to get into this potentially. And chart's looking pretty nice. Still see quite a bit of value in this one as well. still off from all-time highs as well. Disney. So again, I need to plan this out a little bit if I'll allocate to Disney and to AT&T, JP Morgan as well is another one. So I do see, you know, it's one of these things with the trajectory of the banks in the US, and depends who, I guess, who you are and your thought process with, I guess, the potential headwinds that we could see, and, you know, the inflation issues and things like that, when interest rates are going to go up and what the Fed's going to have to do. But if we go to a weekly chart of JP Morgan, it really has made an absolutely unbelievable recovery from the lows that it saw. So they do have a lot of money at their disposal, and my real thought process is that I will probably just allocate it into JP Morgan and AT&T most likely, just to diversify the portfolio a little bit into some quality, you know, more conservative stocks. And if you obviously, if the crash is inbound, you would probably disagree with me, but, you know, pullbacks are always going to occur. But my thought process is that we're not going to see another 2008 style crash, and that I need the money to be working a little more constructively, or a little more productively, sorry. So those are my thoughts on how I might shift my money into other stocks out of TTCF and GNOG. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I hope everyone's having a great weekend, and please feel free to leave any questions in the comment section. I'll get back to you straight away. Thanks, guys.